and girls were celebrating birthday at ship deck. Hey, it's your birthday. Let's have cold drinks. Cheers. Yes, cool. Let's throw the bottles and say, yeah, whoo. No, we will not dirty your land. We will throw everything in the sea. Yeah, you are roaming around and having fun. Let's eat this food. It's so tasty. But where should I throw this wrapper? Throw in the sea. Nothing matters. Yeah, we are having fun. Let's enjoy here and we'll do many things. We'll play games here also. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Hooray! We can go in water also if we want to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You good thinking. We will have so much fun. A group of three friends, two mermaids and one jellyfish, were roaming inside the sea, and then they suddenly noticed the bottles. They were totally puzzled to see them at first. Look at those bottles with colored drinks. I think we should try it. Let's have fun. You both are cowards and you are fool. I will drink it first. Glup, glup, glup. The mermaid drinks it. See, nothing happens. Mermaid? Mermaid, are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. I think we should take it to her to mom. Okay, come with us. I don't know what's happening to me. Hey, what happened to my baby mermaid? She's hiccuping. Yeah, she tasted a bottle from sea debris, and from then she like hicking, doing and driving us crazy. Let's take her to Doctor Shark. Dr. Shark was a famous doctor. Such was his terror, half of his patients' illness were cured just by seeing his long teeth. Wow, wow, mermaid, you look so delicious. Dr. Alligator, her hiccups are not stopping. What should we do? Please treat her. Don't worry, let me examine. She looked terrible. She had some bad drink, I guess. Did you give her a petrol-like drink? Dad, this dog is mad. How can I drink petrol? I am unable to cure. What can I do? Everyone became sad. Let's go to the dolphin. She is very intelligent and he is the friend of human. He will have something to do. He can cure the hiccups. Oh no, we are driving mad. Please stop it, please. It's okay, children. The dolphin will cure her. My kid has so many hiccups. Can you please cure it? Oh, I see. This mermaid must have taken some man-made things from debris. We all never go there. The debris is growing like a mountain day by day. It's making a hell-like for all of the water animals and plants. But I know a human being. He's my friend. He's on the seashore. Let's go there and he will have something to cure it. Hey Dr. Binox, look what happened to this mermaid. Just non-stop. Oh, I'm sorry to know that. I will give her a medicine and she will be fine after some time. Thanks, Dr. Binox. And I wanted to apologize to all of my aquatic world over there, as we human beings decided to not throw the garbage in sea without realizing that it could harm your world. Let's pledge to take our earth world clean, surroundings neat and clean, and pollution zero. Thank you, doctor. Bye bye, doctor. Take care, doctor. Love you, doctor. Oh, yay! I'm free from hiccups.